So that's quite surprise finding. In collaboration with Suman Mitra and Frank Morschauer in Lille in France, we set out to do a very similar study using very similar tools, including single-cell RNA sequencing on baseline samples and the infusion product and post-infusion. And my main interest really is to see if we can find anything before a product is manufactured. Like I published in 2018 with Joe Frietta when I was at Penn. There's a paper in Nature Medicine. And we found actually with axi-cel, which co-stimulates through CD8, that the signature that predicts in BB zeta CAR response predicts non-response with a 28 zeta CAR. And that was a quite surprise finding. That's a poster I'll be presenting here at ASH. And furthermore, we found that effector and effector memory signature in pre-manufactured cells predict the response to an axi-cel product. So that's very exciting on multiple levels, but it gives us a way to predict which product would actually work best for a patient, and also tells us how we can then modify the manufacturing process.